beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel, and today I want to show you how I make my serum. This is a simple serum for hyperpigmentation. If you got very bad hyperpigmentation, this will really help you. To start with, I'm going to start with this infused. This is already infused, which is the hookah. It contains chamomile, vanilla, and manuka honey. It's organic. It's very good. I love using this infused tea when I'm making a serum, and because of the chamomile extra inside and the manuka honey, I love the benefit it gives to the skin. So yeah, this I'm going to measure out. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. This is what I need. So now, I'll start by adding the stuff I need bit by bit. I'll start by adding the niacinamide, and then I'll later mix my glycerin with anabolic acid separately to add into it. And then I'm going to add my whitening additives, allantoin, vitamin C, propanol glycol, preservative, then the oil. And yeah, just start with the measurement and start adding it. So I'm going to add my niacinamide. Start to dissolve. You can see it's well dissolved. Just want you guys to see it's properly dissolved. So I'll go in by adding my allantoin. Allantoin is very good. I'm not going to go into details of it. It helps with irritation. It helps a lot. It's good. Sorry about the background noise. I'm doing some laundry. So I'm going to add this. Exactly what I want. The pantenoid. Measurement goes a long way, guys. Measurement goes a long way. Then I'm adding my whitening additives. Exactly what I want. Just want you guys to see well dissolved. Get the original product and you get the result that you want on your skin. So I have my anabolic dissolving glycerin. So I have my chamomile extract. So I'm going to be adding. Gonna be adding my willow bar extract. Since it's for hyperpigmentation, not only do we want to get rid of the hyperpigmentation, also we want to also prevent what is causing it from reoccurring. Yeah. Then I'm adding my white tea. Glory to God with the benefit of white is amazing. Preservative. I'm using my German Plus. Yeah, exactly what I wanted. Yeah. So I'm gonna stir properly, come back. I need to pour this in a bigger container. Initially I wanted to do half of it, but I decided to do more. I've got more orders coming in for serum, so yeah. So I'm going to be adding my jojoba oil. And yeah, exactly what I want. So that's it. Adding in the anabolic, then I'll blend it to bind everything together. I blend, then I come back. Just show you guys how it's done. See? I'll come back. So this is the end product. I'm going to leave it for few hours, like 3 to 4 hours, for everything to dissolve properly. If you want it to be thicker, you reduce the percentage of the anabolic acid. Usually it's supposed to be 1% per 100 grams of water that you will use, or any of your formulation. So but I use more than that because I want it thick, to be thicker. So yeah, I love this consistency. So if you want it to be a bit not too thick, you add more, you reduce the percentage of the anabolic. And I need to check the pH. I need to do some balancing. Your pH depends on what you want, but you know, it has to be in accordance with the skin pH. So skin, the body pH, yeah. So you don't want to burn your skin or damage the skin. So yes, so I'm gonna do the pH. And yeah, our product is done. We have got the extract in it, we've got the preservative in it. So thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and have a blessed day. I got this color from the chamomile, infused chamomile with vanilla and manuka tea. This is organic. You need to get this if you want. So normally it depends on what formulation I'm making and what product I need to use with it. Okay, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Bye.